Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listen to this audio. My people in a salon today, na Friday, June 20th, 2025, with me, una humble servant, Piero Samura. My people in a salon today, na the 20 days inside the month of June 2025. Today, I get two messages for uno again. My first message now today, my people, as I listened to an audio from one of our brother by the name of Brahma Michael Toure, in bracket BMT, he say in a chief executive officer for the Psalm 2028 agenda, we then self get the ambition for make Sam Sumana be flag bearer na the APC for 2028 election we all they prepare for. I listened to in audio about 45 minutes. We are in all about that 45 minutes now for attack the non-nonsense National Secretary General of the All People's Congress APC winner lawyer Lansana Dumbuya. He makes so many allegations. In this same audio, he come, he accuse lawyer Lansana Dumbuya at the same time he judge himself in as Michael Toure in that same audio day. Now that make I want for can set some of the recording straight for una with APC people and for make una understand, and for una Mikono people and for make una all know say lawyer Lansana Dumbuya no hate the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana. Lawyer Lansana Dumbuya no hates nobody na the APC, but lawyer Lansana Dumbuya they do in work as National Secretary General and as waiting bind we together we na the constitution of the APC. Now that work they exactly lawyer Lansana Dumbuya they do. My second message to them people now for can draw the attention of President Bio as Gilos Mada Bio. We don't they see the activities of President Bio in WEF when Fatima Mada Bio, the first lady in our country. Since Gilos Mada Bio become president in 2018, we don't they see the calamities, the dangers, the damage where Fatima Bio the cause inside the SLPP and outside the SLPP. But we know one day see President Bio come out for put in woman in position for make it steady as housewife, make it allow in government for run, and make it allow things then for go on peacefully in the country. I want for to draw the attention of Gilos Mada Bio in bracket President Bio today say, make it go back to memory about this former president na this country. Or also make it pay attention to the former president, Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma, how in government be run. People like then Gilos, this woman where they with the WEF today, Dr. Silva Oleyanka Blyden, where they all over the place today, they call Ernest Kuruma, they call Ernest Kuruma money launderer, they call her all kind name, when are negative names there. Make you President Bio sit down and go back to memory. Say this now one pandi woman the way been the hail Ernest Kuruma yesterday, and even call Ernest Kuruma say now the most democratic president ever in the history of Salon, where Salon don't produce. This then are people and when are some of them in the tell Ernest Kuruma yesterday for go third term. Today now some of these people they castigate Ernest Kuruma, now then they talk negative things then about Ernest Kuruma, now then they incite negative things then against Ernest Kuruma, now then they sponsor finance Bobo then today for can talk bad words then against former President Kuruma. So for make you President Bio no say, Not to everybody where they hail you today, they talk good about you, they can't show you that fine face. May you know say, not to everybody na a good person, not to everybody na a better person to you. Today you hold power. Everybody they try for proof, point out for show love, for make you know say, now they like you more than the others. But I want make you President Bio know say, after power tomorrow, now the people in this way get for pull a secret then I do. Now the people in this way get for prosecute you. Now the people in this way get for turn against you. Now the people in this way get for expose you. And now the people in this way get for join other Sierra Leoneans then tomorrow for do so many dirty things that against you will not go good for you and not go better for you in the long run. So I want you, Julius Maada Bio in bracket President Bio, for pay attention keenly to some of them things the way they can go on at the SLPP and way you wave Fatima Bio they can do inside the SLPP and outside the SLPP were not a good things them at all. Before I go on with this message, I want to tell we Kono people, inform the Kono people, say the newly inaugurated ambassador of peace for the woman in Sierra Leone, where we, the Falaba district and Kwenadogo district, don't sit down, we don't crown her as the ambassador of peace. We're not to any other person, but Her Excellency, the former Honorable Minister, Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi, e go enter na the land of milk and honey in homeland wey na Kono district on the 28th of this June. So we dey call on the woman groups dem all na Kono for comot in Chinese number, make we paint the street red for welcome this way sister, for welcome this way mama, for welcome this way auntie, for welcome this with everything. For so to the whole country say, Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi na the only politicians na Kono district where they enter. The four corners of Kono district, they know say somebody don't enter and politician don't enter. No matter how you turn out. But Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi, both man and woman na Kono district, nobody know the challenge and for spend. Nobody no get that giving spirit, rich and politics. Both SLPP and APC na the Eastern region. So if you see people and they call and the Iron Lady, they not just call them out of lackness. If you see people and they call them the Al-Kaaba, and me self don't endorse that because I don't see the Al-Kaaba now. As he touch her, your life they change. As he touch her, they see that improvement in you. As he touch Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi, wallahi, your life no go ever remain for be the same again. So we they call on all the women then na Kono for make we paint the street of Kono red on the 28th of this June. For so to the whole world say, Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi na we pikin, na we auntie, na we mama, na we sister, and we go stand with her and we go continue for stand with her till to death. Make we show that love to the APC, make we show that love to the SLPP, and make we show to the whole country say, Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi na the only politician we can change we life na Kono district, and we able spend the money for the APC more than any other person. The 28th of this June, when at this 2025, make we show that signal and that sign to the whole country say, we mama, we sister, the Iron Lady, the Al-Kaaba, the Munanfa, and the beneficiary we able benefit we all. We not to any other person but Madam Finda Diana Konomanyi go appear and arrive inside Kono, and we go welcome her with that love, passion, and sympathy. We go continue for stand by her. Right? The people in our salon, I also want for say speedy recovery to we national chairman Alhaji Minkailu Masare, CEO 001. We want for say speedy recovery to you, and we continue for pray. Whatever prayer and forgiveness who they ask for inside today Friday Juma prayer, we they ask the Lord Almighty Allah for answer them prayers then they for improve on the health and for continue for putting guidance and protection upon you. Speedy recovery with sympathy and make you know say we the grassroots of the APC, we they pray for you day and night for make God continue for putting blessing upon you in guidance and protection and improve, put you to your normal health for make a return back and reconcile with the family and the APC family. And also we want to say a thank you message. We want to send a thank you message to one of the youngest somebody we don't they spend a lot of resources for the APC, Mr. Noah Kabia, we in now the deputy diaspora 6 region chairman. You know, this young man, they do a lot, and with the area, so many people they come, then they are present, you know, then they come for tell we but in good work, the good things the way they do for the APC, both home and the diaspora. We want for compliment the effort of Mr. Noah Kabia, we in na the deputy diaspora 6 region chairman. Thank you, Mr. Noah Kabia, and your good work. Then they show and make you know say the APC leadership acknowledge a good work the way they do, because then they listen to we messages. Then anything where we talk, anything where we talk, then know say na factual and balanced information. Thank you, and we appreciate the good work the way they do for the APC. No, we want to tell the APC leadership plenty thank you for way they not allow the distractors for distract them, the way they not allow the enemies for carry them away, and then stand and uphold waiting then at the APC constitution for say then follow the right thing them we make it today. Nobody no go complain or comment or for go someone win at any court of salon. So one for tell this present executive plenty thank you for that. The people in a salon today, as we listen to an audio from one of a brother by the name of Brahma Michael Toure, he say in a nickname BMT, where he released an audio then this year, he come and put so many allegations and lie, personal attack, malice, blasphemy, defamation of character assassination on the non-nonsense National Secretary General of the All People's Congress, where na lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. In some of the accusations where Mr. Brahma Michael Toure counter on the National Secretary General, he been get for talk on the APC 1991 Constitution, and Wusai he come again, he quote this APC 2022 Constitution. In this area where he quote the APC Constitution, he say the APC 2022 Constitution coach he been get for say something about the 1991 Constitution, say in chapter 80 to 81 been tell we say whatever decision where the APC leadership been done make with that 1991 Constitution, it say if for remain valid, if for continue for be exist, nobody no for condemn, and this 2022 Constitution endorse that. But Mr. Michael Toure also been come a quote himself, say the past APC executive way being headed by former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma, they say the National Advisory Committee when have been knocked by them be sit down and take one decision, waiting at this decision. The term where the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana, he been write a letter for return back na the APC, say in one for can reconcile with the APC and return back na the APC. That be happen under Ernest Kuruma in your leadership as national chairman and leader for the party. So by then, the National Advisory Committee, them been sit down and go ahead and look at that letter, approve that letter day for the former vice president a return one back na the party. But at the same time, make we all know say the constitution not give power to the National Advisory Committee for endorse somebody in return one at the party where the party been done, the delegate them been done expel. So now only then the delegate them will been take that decision. Now then no more go sit down back and look over that person in return one and approve it. Where go be the final decision where nobody no able judge. So then as the National Advisory Committee when act, then be approve Samsumana in return one and refire to the national delegate, then say, then go take the final decision where the document go give final approval. Brother Michael Toure, he been quote that area there, but he fail for understand himself one area where this understanding where him fail, he dey try for quote on the National Secretary General na this area. Michael Toure in bracket BMT been say, he say when them been go meet with the National Secretary General Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, he say Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya tell them say Justice Adrian Fisher na impel the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana a return one na the APC. He say na him been pull the decision where the National Advisory Committee been take. So in that area there, when this National Advisory Committee been don't take this decision, now they we see Alfred Peter Conte come, he take this National Executive to court when at the High Court of Salome before the Chambers of Justice Adrian Fisher. Wetin make Alfred Peter Conte been take the National Executive na court by then? He said then don't dey na that office they then time don't expire. And when then time don't expire, he said then they do things then where the constitution not give them mandate for do again because then time don't expire as National Executive. So that case they been done in that court. We did it for so many months. On the day where Justice Adrian Fisher make a ruling, he been get for condemn all the things the way this National Executive been done do as National Executive. Say them thing then the way them been done do, where then time been done expire. He say they not get right for do them thing then and in don't nullify. Waiting them mean but nullify. He say in condemn all the actions then way then take as National Executive. And one part the action we then take, now for accept the returning of the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana with brother Michael Toure in bracket BMT. He been come and quote this side, but he failed for understand this area where they try for tag the National Secretary General saying in the against the returning of the former Vice President na the APC. When Justice Adrian Fisher been don't take this decision, say in don't nullify that decision where the National Advisory Committee, because this National Executive, then they part of this National Advisory Committees, say that decision where them been take for let Samsumana return at the APC, say he don't null and nullify, he don't condemn, say not to the right decision then take and illegal. So automatically that decision where the National Advisory Committee NAC been take for say then don't accept the former Vice President Chief Samsumana in return one at the APC. He don't become zero. He don't go buff. He don't null. So at that time, Samsumana not been get no standing again. Right? So Justice Adrian Fisher again be refer Samsumana in return one at the APC, and not only Samsumana, Justice Adrian Fisher been quoted at the letter say anybody where the party for accepting return one or where the party been done expel, he said them go look into run at the National Delegate Conference, which means say the delegate then they no more get the power for approve anybody in return one at the party where the party been done expelled. Not to Samsumana alone they part of this decision, but all the other people where the party been done suspend, don't expel them, or them been done vex, go sit down, they know they pay them monthly dues, they know they participate in party activities. Now only the National Delegate Conference, now the delegate then go sit down and watch over them case then, either yes or no, now they no more get that power now. So that decision where the National Advisory Committee NAC been take, Justice Adrian Fisher been don't condemn it, don't nullify that decision there. So when the National Secretary General Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya been get for explain Justice Adrian Fisher that in ruling how it affect the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana, na day we brother Brahma Michael Toure in bracket BMT, he can quote the National Secretary General, he attack on the man in personality and say negative things then about the National Secretary General. But me people in that judgment it dey, una way not get her, una go ask for her, make them so una make una read her. On that judgment day, we see the supporters of Samsumana them been dey all over the place, then they dance. The likes of the Kuruma APC we don't left Sam Sumana today, they with Dr. Ibrahim Bangura. Now some of the man them been this way been there with former Vice President, the Sam King, the 5 gallon, the 2 gallon. They all been they dance all over the place. The likes of the Director Jallo, they all been they all over the place. They celebrate for that decision where Justice Adrian Fisher been take. Me na been the person the day where Justice Adrian Fisher take that decision. They do claim I come and make audio say, hey, for make we they take we self to we opponent then to the court we not like the APC, the court we know they decide anything positive to the APC. I say might happen, say then go take certain decision, then go make certain judgment we not go benefit certain people tomorrow. But in disguise, some of una they celebrate tomorrow today. I say this celebrate una they celebrate so. Una go and read that ruling where Justice Adrian Fisher make. That ruling where Justice Adrian Fisher make, I say again for affect with brother Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Sam Sumana tomorrow, but some of una no understand. Una the Sam Sumana supporters now una they dance all over the country. That say, but tomorrow when some of una don't understand, una go know so not to find ruling where go benefit the former vice president. Today we are we now there we don't end up for find we safe. So when Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya don't explain this to Michael Brahima Toure, he no able understand. He say, now people and they pay the National Secretary General for make the stop the coming of the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Sam Sumana to the APC. No. Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Sam Sumana not to threat to the APC and not to heavyweight to any flag bearer aspirant, neither to the national executive, Mr. Brahima Michael Toure. I want to make you know this. Not to heavyweight to anybody in the APC. If the constitution or the ruling of Justice Adrian Fisher permit Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Sam Sumana for contest, he can go back now this race. He go back the one the way they underrate so, then go win and they back. He can go to the National Delegate Conference back, neither he win or he lost back the delegates, then go decide. Not to in face or in office where we don't occupy, go be threat to the APC or threat to the delegates, then for say make we afraid and go elector. No, not to by that. He go can't explain what he been done do. If he move the APC people or the delegates there, then go sit down and think over. And then go look at in track record then where he don't do na the APC. Because so many people all but good thing there against the former vice president. One pandit thing there, the former vice president say na Anes Kuruma bin Kauti Bola. He say ain't get all the documents there. So the APC people across the country, all this would to answer, make the former vice president Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Sam Sumana can pull all them proofs then say because so many families then been die, including people in the southeast. And the SLPP people also then all this message where the former vice president been can disseminate say and get all the evidences then say na Anes Kuruma bin Kauti Bola. And this statement not been go down well with the APC people at all. So if Chief Sam Sumana they can't contest for being flag bearer at the APC, the delegates then get for ask a series of questions then for make he explain himself, and some of them prove them way be say he get for make he pull and make the public see. Because we also the Ebola affect we. Some of our friends then we colleagues then family members then die out of this Ebola. Yeah. But you BMT, it failed for realizing when Justice Adrian Fisher been done nullify that ruling they for say that step the way the National Advisory Committee NAC been take for let Sam Sumana return at the APC. He said that one day he not stand at all in don't condemn. So now only we the delegate then now we get the power for address the issue of Sam Sumana. In 2023, when the party been conduct National Delegate Conference, they also been put that one day part of the agenda because the National Advisory Committee Then your step where them been take, it not been get standing and Justice Adrian Fisher been don't go condemn that step there. So now that make Justice Adrian Fisher been put on for making it part of the national advice, the national delegate conference then your decision where they get for take. And when we been going at the national delegate conference now McKinney in 2023, the one day we been conduct the national delegate conference, then put on part of the agenda say the one the way the party been done expel, the one the way the party been done suspend. Una the delegate the how una see the return one back na the APC. Una want make the return or make the no return. Me na one pan the delegate the way force is me and endorse say make them all return. And the other delegate they all be follow that step they say we don't forgive them, make them all return back na the APC. So now from that day, we accept Sam Sumana in Kanwan back na the APC, and now from that day, that 2023 National Delegate Conference, where they ask with that question, we accept the return one. Now from that day, Sam Sumana don't become member of the APC. Right? So Michael Toure, and then your accusations, the way they put on the National Secretary General, no. For let you say, now people and they pay the National Secretary General, now they make it, they do all things the way they do so, they call a munku or full decisions. No, not just out of malice they do that thing there. The National Secretary General not do anything contrary for say now in the stop or now in the stop the legal bindings for let the former Vice President become or qualify for contest na the 2028 election. No. The National Secretary General not do anything wrong. Make we stop for attack people because of their office, the way they occupy. If lawyer Lansana Doumbouya do anything contrary, this party get legal team. He get legal luminaries, legal lawyers then they we know the law field more than lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. Then go come and put an in position back say no, pa this thing ya way he want do so, he not correct or this thing ya way they do so now info happen or this way they avoid so now info do now info be the right thing. But you know one day see anybody complain anything or question any step where lawyer Lansana Doumbouya don't take as National Secretary General. So now we stop for attack people because we not satisfied with the step there or the actions the way they take. We get constitution, we get legal advisory team, we get national advisory team. This party get veteran and this party get old age people we know politics, can interpret politics and understand politics. So if they see the National Secretary General they go the wrong way, then go call them back advice and say no go so, now so if I go. Right? And he also get for quote say, lawyer Lansana Doumbouya as the National Secretary General same message for make the 2023 flag bearer and leader of the APC when Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara and Chief Alhaji Abubakar Siddiqui Sam Sumana say for make them come on board with no precondition, make them can join them party for law we move on. Yes, the National Secretary General get right for pull that statement there. Because one, for take decision, not for take decision, but the day where that decision go turn against you, now that they ambog the team of the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Siddiqui Sam Sumana today. Brahma Michael Toure in bracket BMT. This Samura Kamara kuso na one for kan angpan. This Samura Kamara issue na one for kan Aidonda. Na one for team up for can fight the party. It not get for benefit una because one, this Samura Kamara way na been the flag bearer and leader of the APC in 2023. It be needs the presence of former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Siddiqui Sam Sumana more than any other person at the 2023 campaign. But USA would have been there. We not ever see none of una the team Sam Sumana. We not see none of una pan the 2023 election. So the time where Samura Kamara been need una the most, na the time una turn una back, una fight against Samura Kamara in presidency, we lead the SLPP and Julius Maada Bio Mohammed Kone them for do wetin dem do na the 2023 election. So we lead we for the opposition today. Brahma Michael Ture. One pandu step the way una take way arm Samura Kamara in presidency. When we come on at the National Delegate Conference, the leadership call on everybody for join Samura Kamara for make we campaign. Samura Kamara also been sent a message of peace and unity to now all we vex, including the Samsumana team, for now all join along we campaign for win. He say when we win, now the entire APC don't win. Everybody go benefit. Either he benefit directly or indirectly, we all go become a beneficiary. But then call them peace messages the way Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara sent to Una the Samsumana team. Una no ever receive them. Una no ever appreciate them. And una no ever welcome them. Now from there we see Una team. People like them Director Jalode, the Kuruma APC then. We get audio messages then. We na evidence messages then we them pulled by them. They tell the entire Samsumana supporters then across the world say, make them no vote for the APC. They all go declare their support for Julius Maada Bio. Una all go declare una support for Julius Maada Bio na the 2023 election. Samsumana in not talk, but we not see Samsumana go by any APC campaign across the country. We not see Samsumana go talk na any radio or TV for support the APC campaign na the 2023 election. We get people na the leadership, na the executive, na the National Advisory Committee, we come and tell we say them form a delegations, then we then go meet with the former vice president for go big and for go talk to them for make he join the campaign. But then tell them the way Samura Kamara need una the most, na the time they una reject them, na the time they una iba nagota, na the time they una suba nagota, na the time they una disassociate una self from her, una go join the SLPP paupa, una go campaign for the SLPP, una go declare una support for Julius Maada Bio. Prime Michael Ture, he failed for realize all Lentinja. Today, he come and attack and accuse innocent people. He forget about the decisions they will not take, will lead we for the USA we did today. The Psalm 2028 squad. You know them? Today, Kroma APC no do tuna again. Because himself in Yai don't open, he don't see the light now. Now himself don't can join the party. He dey talk good about the party now. But in 2023, sit down and ask himself, he ever see Kroma APC talk anything positive about the APC or Samura Kamara? The answer is no. All the messages that we've been they pull now for support the SLPP and talk bad against the APC and Samura Kamara who now they try for team up today for fight against the party. So Samura Kamara in also get for sit down and pay attention and focus. Not to we don't reach this level now. People that will contribute for law will reach us we did today. For make them go make party with you now today for law una can fight against the party. Samura Kamara, you get for think. Certain people and they when they say for Puel. Now the ten then they take the ballot face, then they become champion now for Puel. But when they say for make, now then they take the back seat for contribute for let all team Puel. So Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara, you need for focus and pay attention. If we did USA we did today, sit down and go back to memory. Who that the lead way for the USA we did today? Because if people are not been joined the SLPP yesterday during the campaign, then collaborate with President Bio, and then tell and say make it take some of them step then we lead for EOM presidency for go away today. Samura Kamara will not for the USA we did today. And one part the people that will lead way for the USA we did today. Now the Samsumana supporters. I know they say this out of malice. I know they say I'm out of grudge. I know they say I'm out of propaganda. I know they say I'm out of hate. I know hate Samsumana. Me na part of Kono. If power go Kono today, me go become one of the beneficiary and I go happy and celebrate. But make we say the truth now, we all get for die. When we die, we all get for go face with grudge, we grieve then. and then therefore go judge we all one after the others. If we not say some of them through the year today, prosperity go tell on we, and judgment day go all we accountable. Brian Michael Toure, you don't know that thing ya? Where the Samsumana supporters the way been there on social media. Then they tell the Kono people and say, make them not ever vote for the APC. Then they tell the Southeasterners then say, make them not ever support the APC in the 2023 election. You don't know that? The Director Jallo then, the Kuroma APC then, the Sam King then, the 5 gallon then, the 2 gallons then, and others. Then why are always they talk for the Samsumana na social media? You know say audio messages then they where them been they pull against the APC and Samura Kamara na the 2023 election, where they incite so many Southeasterners, including the Kono District World Commot, they incite people against the party in disguise of supporting Samsumana. Samsumana be ever come and condemn their statement then they from his supporters. If he ever come and distance himself from the statement of the Samsuma of the supporters, if he ever come and disassociate himself from the statement the way supporters them been the pull against the APC and Samura Kamara, at that time where the people of Salon need change, at that time where the people of Salon they call for change. Now then time then they, the Samsumana supporters then they all over social media, they tell them young followers then say make nobody not support the APC, neither vote for the APC now the 2023 election. Brian Michael Toure in bracket BMT. You know say now some of them think they make the SLPP not even allow the Kono people and vote for be counted. You, Brian Michael Toure, you know say the 2023 election, the SLPP not green for let them count the Kono people and vote. Because the Kono people and don't tire with the suffering, then don't tire with the lie, the propagandists from the SLPP, then be don't tire with them in the day. So the Kono people then come out for take the decision for free themselves from the SLPP bondage. Even though where the Samsumana supporters then collaborate with the SLPP, then they campaign against the APC all over the Southeast. But the Southeastern are not look to that because then no say when the rest don't na then host them, not to Samsumana they go buy rest for them. When they want for travel, not to Samsumana they pay transport for them. When then they pay the electricity bill to that higher cost, not to the Samsumana within supporters, then they pay that. So now that make them not listen to our messages then go out and vote for the APC. But when the SLPP can know say the people of Kono not agree for listening to una, they're not listening to the Samsumana supporters the way they in social media, then go out and vote for the APC. Now that make the SLPP the eat violence pan the election na Kono district, so that then go manipulate the election way them how they want. Then take the seat the way they want, then give the mayorship where they be. We all know say they lost the mayorship election at the Kwedu City, but then take and give to them your person because of their support the owner give to them Nakono. Now that lead them for waiting them do so now the 2023 election. Brian Michael Toure, you don't know that. For let the election become enough free and fair, enough credible, enough transparent. You know saying that by the statement of the Samsumana supporters, the way come and endorse President Bio in second term, give President Bio their support, incite the Southeastern and not for vote for the APC. You know say now then courage and confidence then they make President Bio tell Mohamed Kone for announced result way reflect to the will of the people, and we don't make to that election they don't go when waiting we end up on na reconciliation, waiting we end up on electoral reform and institutional reform. Not today we end. Brian Michael Toure, you know saying that some of the statement of the Samsumana supporters, the endorsement of the Samsumana supporters with them in social media, now the lead for follow with the USA we did today. So why you for can catch course, una for can make the Samura Kamara friend today, una they try for make the supporters of Samura Kamara for let una be friend, so una all be able to team up for can fight against the APC. But Now we been there with Samura Kamara yesterday. We know una steps that we una take. So me no see no Samura Kamara supporters. Anyone we sober-minded, they within 5 senses, no go ever embrace some of una today for can join them, for say for can fight against the APC. Because if Samura Kamara not become president today, una na one pan the contributing factors there. The Samsumana supporters then na social media, because they totally and entirely reject Samura Kamara at the time we Samura Kamara be need them the most, we be need una the most. Na the 2023 election. Na the time una reject una campaign against una talk negative but una incite the Southeasterners against him presidency, say they not for vote for her. So why una for can catch and hide under Samura Kamara today for una join together after una don't make today the man not become president? Now una don't contribute for let that man not become president, then today una want for can join her. The time for let the National Secretary General call on Samura Kamara and Samsumana for come on board, because not a person drive Samura Kamara. Nobody not stop Samura Kamara for go by any party activities. Nobody not stop Samura Kamara for go by no party program. Now in just don't disassociate and fall and fall foot. Even the time where Samura Kamara talk about this electoral justice, the party leadership call and say, this electoral justice where you don't talk about, come now the party office, make we can sit down and look at the way forward, make we see how forget a roadmap for go about this electoral justice. Wait till we hear from Samura Kamara with his supporters, then say, Samura Kamara in Mama say he don't dream and say if he go na that party office, then go kill and make it no go there. From that time, the Samura Kamara no ever go and attend to any party activities. Nobody no stop and for go and no party program. But now in no more decide on the own for take the back seat. Today, you know, ever come and tell Salon people how for go about this electoral justice. Usai he don't come up, Usai they and Usai they go. Today they know they give update. Then go come and tell Salon people no more say. Na Samura Kamara no more they pamphlet. The leadership say then win election, but then they go for 2028. But Samura Kamara na say no degree. Na no more they fight for we vote there. But how Samura Kamara they fight for this vote? Nobody no go tell nobody. They no go come and update and explain to Salon people because all me know, Samura Kamara they in hiding for let the police they not see and for their invitations then way they don't they send to rank. Samura Kamara no ever engage radio or TV station for update Salon people how they can fight for them vote. Even in supporter or followers the way they in social media, they no go candidate for explain to Salon people how Samura Kamara they can fight for them vote there. Na just a lip service, word na mouth, not action, not just for set fire the party, just for bring alala and sonko within the APC. But Samura Kamara of himself no say in your presidency in go one after the June 24, 2023 election. Na in na the contributing factor, na irresponsible and na in accept and sign all document will legalize President Bio for the na State House today. All in documents that we sign, now the lead we forget electoral reform and institutional reform, we mean say, therefore correct all the wrongdoings then, for make the June 24, 2023 election in kind not repeat itself now any other election now we country anymore. So any other election we'll go conduct next, it therefore be free and fair, credible and transparent. So, una stop for coming disguise, for can't tag on ourselves, make Samura Kamara and Samsumana come on board and join the party. Follow, we move on. Not to presidency, no more na beneficiary. When the party come in governance, it can go for project there, it can go for contact there. If they're not even making minister, but he can make money in different way. Now, Mohamed Gento then sit down, so now billionaires there. Now, Ali Muden Sidon Yanda, so now billionaires there. Not to ministerial position then be old, not to ambassador position then they old, not to honorable position than their own, but today they get money pass all the honorable we don't go na that salon well of parliament because of the contract the way government they give them. So what is important to me now for make we all fight together, make the party come na power. Right? So Brahma Michael Toure, the National Secretary General not do anything contrary. Now the true he talk. If Justice Adrian Fisher not been go take that kind of action, when he condemn the former executive and pull them at the office, then he not only pull them there, he talk say, he put an ruling say, all the decisions on the way them been take by then, he don't nullify and he don't condemn her. And one part the decision way them been take, now for accept Sam Sumana for return back to the APC. But where Peter Conte bin Alfred Peter Conte take in a court, now una been the celebrate Alfred Peter Conte, now una been the hailer, now una been the dance with her, now una been the chill with her, now una been the make dinner with her, now una been the hailer and now una been the abater. Una say na in the fight the right cause. And Alfred Peter Conte in take in a court, now in make Justice Adrian Fisher go condemn all the works the way the past executive been done take. All the steps and actions the way the past executive been done take, now Justice Adrian Fisher go nullify, go condemn everything. Today, one part the thing the way Justice Adrian Fisher go condemn when the steps the way the past executive take, now for let them accept Sam Sumana in return one at the APC. Today, it affect you now. Because Justice Adrian Fisher don't go condemn her, he don't go make his position clear, say, all the steps then, the work then, where that executive been take, where then time been don't expire, he say he don't nullify and avoid. They not get no legal standing. And the party not for consider them. And one pande, now the acceptance of former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Siddiqui Sam Sumana. So that way the National Advisory Committee go accepting Kawana the party. Justice Adrian Fisher also been don't nullify that. He don't condemn that. He said because then time been don't expire for all executive position. So una mi APC people are make una understand, make una know and sabi this. Right? But yesterday una been the celebrate Alfred Peter Conte, una been the hail, una been the dance with them, una been the glad for them step there. But today the step then don't affect una. So the only legal standing where the former Vice President Chief Alhaji Abubakar Siddiqui Sam Sumana get inside the APC now the time where we the national, we the delegate then, the time we all been get a McKinney in 2023, that acceptance will go acceptance. And the one that always the party suspend, that acceptance then at the National Delegate Conference, now illegalize them at the party and now accept them all for come back na the party. So now from that 2023 day, Sam Sumana become a full member of the APC. Right? The people in Asalo, my second message today, now for can't talk to Julius Maada Bio for make it pay attention. Julius Maada Bio in bracket President Bio. People away they laugh to you. Now then they be you now then they serve as your downfall tomorrow, President Bio make you know this today. People away they hail you today, they call you all sorts of names. Any decision we take, neither a good or wrong. Now then they praise you back, then call you His Excellency. Tomorrow, now them people and they get for team up for fighting tomorrow, President Bio. Go back to memory this. This Alpha Khan way they with you today. Now them been they call themselves yesterday the pine apprentice. This Alpha Khan way they with you today. Now them been they tell former President Nkrumah yesterday say for go third term. The Silva Oloyanka blinding way they with you weft today Fatima Bio. Now them been say yesterday former President Nkrumah now the most democratic president ever in the history of Salon democracy. Now them been the praise President Nkrumah yesterday say Salon no ever get former President Nkrumah in kind president na Salon. This Silva Oloyanka blinding where they write negative things there, they talk negative sarcastic words there against former President Nkrumah. This Silva Oloyanka blinding now them been the praise that former President Nkrumah yesterday. Most of them former ministers we all team up. Some then they fight against Ernest Nkrumah because of his sack. Most of them get negative thought. Even the one the way they hide underground today, they run deal with the SLPP. This then are the people that always been they call Ernest Nkrumah. All the good names the way the SLPP people and they call it the President Bio. Pay attention. Tomorrow, some of them people yana then get for tongue can cow bone na throat against you, President Bio. President Bio. Mugabe na in wealth, Grace Mugabe na in contribute for see in downfall. President Bio, I dey draw your attention today say you wear Fatima Bio na in get for serve as your downfall tomorrow. How Grace Mugabe been they operate inside a man in government. Now so Fatima Bio exactly they operate inside the SLPP today. Any side way cry they today na Fatima Bio name the commodity. Any side way alala the common at the SLPP na Fatima Bio name the common. Any side way disrespect the common for you ministers then today na Fatima Bio invoice people in the area. President Bio pay attention. Pay attention. Tomorrow you get for Sido you bet finger. The 10 way you hold power. Now the 10 you for protect yourself. The 10 way you hold power. Now the 10 you get for guide yourself. The 10 way for hold power. Now the 10 way you hold power. Now the 10 you for always think when you left power tomorrow how you get for day. President Bio, when you become president, not to the 10 way you be president you for worry for. When you go left presidency, how you go live your life, how you go deal with the people. Now that always for be your agenda. President Bio, when you left power tomorrow, these people inside the SLPP now then therefore become target for you. The APC way they pay attention to today, the APC the way they always make us target today, the APC they not get for think about you tomorrow. The APC they not get for target you tomorrow. But the people the way they call you all angel name inside your government today, now then get for tombo na throat by you tomorrow, President Bio. We all they see you if they all over the place. They call the ministers, then dog them, they pull lynch, they all over the place. Take way it don't lead for like thousands of Sierra then lost their job na Kono district. You wife na in contribute to all length in there. Today, disunity, indifferences, problem among the SLPP membership na Kono district. Now you wife na the contributing factor because the delegates them don't make them decision. Say Safia Moyo they no want her. They say na Salio Indolo try na they want. And this Salio Indolo Sabia, na former soldier, you President Bio, you know that. But na somebody way very, very nice. Me and I don't live in the same community. If una dey na community, no go ever know say na SLPP person. He been don't serve as Secretary General for the SLPP na Kono. Na somebody way very, very nice. You know sabi discriminate. You know sabi make people learn differences. If Saliu Indolo try, na una be make us chairman for the SLPP na Kono district. Wallahi, before 2023, if we don't carry away Boku APC people away for don't join them because na man we in word na in word. He get person, he get feature for the SLPP and he believe in humanity. But this Safia Moyo, una don't go endorse, impose on the SLPP people in Kono district today. Everything about an for going drunko. For go and follow that young lady there. He not believe say he go get power by the people. He always believe say in your power now from una way they up there na status na una give power. So he not respect the people. He not get value for the SLPP grassroots, and he not get no sympathy how for bring the people in together. But we the APC we happy and appreciate that. But make you know say President Bio, you downfall of your government. You wife na contribute for let you government for don't take to which we did today. And after power tomorrow, President Bio, you get for regret most of the actions the way you don't take. You get for regret most of the steps the way you don't take from this same wife we na Fatima Bio. You get for be careful, pay attention, then say a good leader. You get for set example first from me host. But President Bio today, who say you fail your start first, now for let you fail for control your wife. You not able to control your wife. Now then your leadership fail first. Now then your leadership begin for fail, and now then your leadership don't fail salon people. The fail way you fail for control your wife inside your government. Look at the calamity, the trouble where your wife don't lead you to now. Now, Kwedu only then they take una na international criminal court. Kwedu only then with you where Fatima Bio don't draw line now. Then they pull all una cigarette then I do. Only property the una don't I don't buy now with country the una not invest na the country. Una not build things then at the country where go benefit the youth, the country owners then. Una go build na foreign countries then for benefit other countries the way not today the money come out. Now, Kwedu only then they pull everything for make salon people and see say una not a good leaders there. Who that make that one they all happen now you wife Fatima Bio. And more the way they come out now do and more get for come out now do. Now, na international criminal court. The Kwedu holding don prepare for take una, and now they then don mass for take una, and then get for win una. Who that make all this happen? Now you wave by the name of Fatima Bio. This na my message. Uno listen and feel free for share. PRO Samura, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress APC. For comment and analysis, go contact me plus 232 74 46 0045 plus 232 77 93 0017. Listen and share the message for the benefit of others. Share far and wide and share everywhere. For so say you appreciate wetin I dey do, you like wetin I dey do. Now, when you listen to me message, no make tire body, patient and share am. How you like the message and enjoy the message. Now, so the other people and also want to get access to the message and be beneficiary from that message. But if you not share them, how then go able benefit from the message? So patient and share them. I not go able pay una, but the Lord Almighty Allah na go able pay una, na go able reward una, and I they ask the Lord Almighty Allah. Anybody where they click in finger for download me audio and share, make the Lord Almighty Allah mark boku goodness way go benefit una this world and year after way that the journal to Firdaus. Una listening and patient and share.